Hello everyone, this is my review of the DYMOND BoostGro Grow Light. This light has an additional outlet or plug at the end here, so you could plug another light in, or you could have them plugged in series. The casing is mostly plastic, and it has two LED strips in it. This is the on switch right here. You can hang it up like we have here, hanged up, and it casts off a pretty good light. You can see how bright it is. Turn it up, see the LED lights there. Now we use this to give light to our plants here to help them grow while they're in the garage, especially for the winter. We put them in the garage so we give them some light while they're in here. But this is a pretty good light, and I hope that this review helps.